Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to the City of Phoenix eCHRIS portal through hcmprod.phoenix.gov. This is the human resources system where employees can access payroll, benefits, and employment information. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter hcmprod.phoenix.gov into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. Log in using your login details on this page, and that's it. Logging into eCHRIS is quick and easy once you have your employee credentials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful login tutorials. See you next time.